adventurers, and welcome to Ella's Greatest Adventures. Can you guess what we're going to make today? Did you guess? What do you think it is? Tell me again. We're making tie-dye crosses. Let's go. So, to make our tie-dye crosses, we'll need plastic bowls, apple cider vinegar, some water and some food dye, and a napkin and some scissors. So in order to make your dye for your napkins, you could either have Easter egg dye or you could create your own. First, you'll need your apple cider vinegar. You'll pour that in a bowl along with some water and some food coloring. Mix, 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 and that's it. Now you get your piece of napkin and a pair of scissors, and we're about to start creating. So now with your rectangle piece of napkin, you're going to make your cross. You're going to take the right hand corner of the napkin and you're going to fold it over to the left hand side. Make sure it's nice and folded. Now you're going to take your left hand corner of the napkin and you're going to fold it to the right side. And your napkin should look like a house, just like mine. You see? A little house. Now we're going to take that triangle piece at the top of the house and fold it over, and it should look like an envelope. Just like that. Now with our envelope, we're going to fold it, and we're going to fold it the opposite way, so the triangle is still facing outwards, and we're going to fold and make a big crease, just like that. Now we're going to take our pair of scissors and we're going to cut the extra piece, not in the middle, but towards the end. And you may need your parents' help for that. But just keep cutting. Do, 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 do. Good job. Now your napkin should look just like this, just a smaller envelope. So now with the die that we made earlier, we're going to dip all of the corners in each of our dies. After you've dipped your napkin in all the dies, it is time for the big reveal. Ta-da! I hope you like your tie-dye cross adventure. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.